cold out the window. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Scott Rail Boy 2. So today I am going to be giving you a horn on Train Simulator 2 on what type of trains I've got. So I'm going to give you a test on what horns are the best. So let's do it. So turn the Xbox on. Turn my telly on. So I'm going to get Train Simulator 2 and let's open it. Let's get it. If you never watched the last video of the trains at Easter House, check it out because it's fun. So I am going to get my controller. I'm going to do these trains first. Gatwick Express, but I changed the colour. Southern. I have no idea what company this is. This is probably Germany. That's me finished the train horns, but I've got a really exciting time for yous. So I went out today and I bought a gear stick for the steering wheel here. There you go. So I'm gonna unbox it, see how the feel is, and see how it will go. So I'm gonna put this here. Yeah, that's cool, innit? Yeah, so that's a good view, I just wanted to check. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to open it. I'm going to have to take my steering wheel off. And I'm going to play a bit of Forza when I do this. So I'm actually going to check what the steering wheel feels like. Right, so there you go. There you go. So what I am going to do is I'm going to do that. Put that iPad here. And then I'm going to do... I know, I bet you're thinking, what is he doing, man? Is this even moving? Great. That's alright, that. Sorry about that, guys. I just dropped something. Let's test it on Forza Horizon 5. Let's go. I'm gonna see if it works. I'll tell you in a minute if it works. Yes, it works, guys.
Party all night on the sand, or blow through the whole thing in a Lamborghini at 200 miles per hour on the way to your next race win. Mr. Chum's not here to tell you how to have a good time. I just work the deck, see?
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked the video. See you next time.